them did have. And as so comes they had to put in the Finsac. So no come over your contract about why so much people lose them business. And because the business people them borrow Finsac the money out of the bank and never want to pay it back. The poor people them money out of the bank and true because of the nepotism and the cronyism where the government are going with, right? And make the people them never have them money. As so comes Finsac had to come in, step in and save the poor people them. Seaga take the money, yes, take the people them money. Take the poor people them money. But him never member with him demonic self. And uno come and the same thing uno government a come do. Same thing with SSL. Same thing happen. All uno do when uno come in a power. Uno rob up poor people money. And then uno go on like say uno remember uno look a termite according to where the people them call uno. Come over here, sir, come and ask stupid question. Go and go read. Five uno could have read, uno that understand, say, how no government mash up the place, mash up the country, mash it up. Why we not have no good education system? Why we not have no good from the best healthcare system to the worst? From the best education system to the worst. We not hear nothing about SSL. But at that we never got asked about to ask the Prime Minister about what about SSL? Why did he draw out his money? Why did he draw out his money out of SSL? After him here say it a crumble, Nigel get the report and Nigel tell the Prime Minister, I'm making go draw out his money out of SSL. You see him both lose so much million out of SSL. I want to come over here, come and chat rubbish. But Finsac and why so much business people lose their money. The business people them borrow the poor people their money from out of Century and the whole of the bank them there. And then they pay back them loan how them supposed to pay it back. So the poor people them did go suffer if I never for Finsac. So uno tell uno Prime Minister to release the Finsac report. So that uno done said can read and understand and stop talk about Finsac and uno know what Finsac mean. And them PM so call wife call them termite. Lord Jesus, you know hear them. Okay, so I saw their owner people call them termite. Lord Jesus, Caroline, accountability, only one person got arrested for everybody who was involved. Well, that's the thing. Because I always saw, Prince, it is always the case. When you have a big shot, big heads, a government, you know what? That's why me say, you see when time we have enough of them labor right people here over here, we need to put them point out truth so them can understand, right? This is paid announcement by the PNP. Listen, me say, look here, people. These people, when them do them wrong, you think say the government are gonna make them get the fall, and the poor people are the little man in the little man, and them I get the fall, and them I get the fall, the little man. The big government them where I rob up the money them. You think I only that the one smarty there? She are the scapegoat. She is the scapegoat. The persons who rob up the whole of the money them from SSL. Them, the big man them, they bought them business and a drink and a laugh and and make only this one woman. You know see what them do? Them go rob all the go rob where the computer. So nobody now gonna know. Wow. You see how the people them bad and wicked? Them have them head in the Lord Jesus. Listen, people. Let me tell you something. Wanna see? These people, una think say them easy. Una think say them easy. Una think say them easy. Una look. Me don't know if una sit down and see what really a happen. What really a happen. How much poor people a suffer right about now. When you look and see how Beryl mash up the people them place. Please school me, guys. I'm from South Africa. What are the SS? Well, the SSL, it was an investment place in Jamaica, and people invested money, a lot of money, which what they did was stole the people their money, whole heap of money. Out of Bolt lost over 10 million US dollars out of it, and other people lose whole heap of money. And right now SSL is no more, right? Because the company bust, right? So people, let me. Mel Marsh, Mel Marsha.
Hi there.
Hello. Yes. Hi. Hi. You wanna say something?
Oh, hi. Yes, I'm trying to get used to this thing. No, I'm listening to what you're saying. I'll join in, but I'm listening to what you're saying right now.
Come on, if you wanna say something, you can
Yeah,
say. The people are
saw
listening.
the picture of the cleanup crew in the background, and I was curious if you were talking about something having to do with the hurricane. I heard a
Well,
couple of
we are getting there. One of the problems we are having, we are talking about everything because we are thinking about the fact that how it's going to affect right now how much Jamaicans are still without power. And what we are seeing is a nepotism government where people, only certain people are gonna be benefiting, and other people not gonna benefit, and we don't really want that because Jamaica is not. Everybody need to be benefiting from the whole cleanup package, right? You
yeah,
can't, and it shouldn't be MPs that should be benefiting. It should be you give the people them, the councillors know who and who in the community that it is affected. And you're not supposed to, the government said them have care package and you have to sign for care package.
That's a care
You
package.
have to sign.
To every resident, every citizen. Come on now, you don't need to sign for that in this disaster.
Thank you in a disaster. All you do, you send the care package them. Why we buy the people them have to sign for it? You see the rubbish we are going in our country?
But
Yeah?
a lot of these care packages, other people donate it. So I mean, the government don't spend the money for it. People donate
Thank
it.
you. Exactly. So why is it that people have to know I go sign feet. Make that make sense. Eh? I have to sign for liquor food. Eh?
Yeah,
Liquor food. You have to sign for you see where the country gone to?
yeah, this is not about party right now. This is about people, humanity.
Thank you. Thank you. Right? Eh? Why the people them have to sign for liquor food? Eh? Liquor food, you go give them liquor care package. Then you go say, assign, clean up, you go send it to your MP them. You don't need your MP. A real party shop for true. So only labor right I go get benefit from it. Eh? Only labor right alone I go get benefit from it. Listen, you see, that's why me I tell you, say, you see, Jamaica gone bad. Jamaica gone bad. It gone bad, it gone bad, it gone bad. Me no know, I don't know. You look on any other country and see if when a governing party, everybody have a choice. That's why it is called democratic society. Because guess what? People choose who them feel, who them want to vote in. And at the end of the day, you can't tell somebody say because them no vote for you, you no want them, you not gonna give them. resources that is vital to their
At the end of the day, the government is for all people. So whether you're JP or PNP, the government is for all people. If they're running the country,
Thank you.
at time that there's a disaster, they're for all people. So people have to put on their foot and make sure they don't let the government be one-sided with this thing. It's for all people. So Jamaica is Jamaica. You're the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the government of Jamaica. If you are an MP in a certain parish, and
I say it I'm worried.
you take care of that community.
James,
Wagwan.
nothing. You have something to add to the conversation?
Yes, man.
Okay, so when Mel finish, you can say your piece. Mel finish, and then make we hear from James what he's saying.
Yeah.
Like when you have these natural disasters, you gotta put
You gone low, Mel. Me don't know why you gone so low.
maybe my internet is not so good.
When I hear these demons over here, so original bad chef, uno love handout too much. That's the bottom line. Listen, let me tell you something. You see, are them demons they come out, are these demons. How the people them must rebuild themselves. You know, see, so no dance and no sense. How the people must rebuild if them not get help. But uno love handout. What is wrong with these people? You see how these people, you see how them dark and illiterate? How the people them just come through a devastation. How on earth you expect them to talk about say the people them love handout? What you mean by handout and who no love the most handout? No found out where they on TikTok who no get handout. Uno government pay uno for come on TikTok and terrorize people. The people have just come through a hurricane. Some of them lose them house. For heaven's sake, have some compassion, original, wherever you be. Demons, termite. Uno go on phone page, go get trouble. For uno not have no empathy. Uno not have no sympathy for the people them. Uno too wicked. Imagine you go come contact about say people of handout. Some of them, oh God, man, the people them are try. And the people then lose their livelihood and you go contact about the people then love handout. For heaven's sake, man, your sister them people and have no heart. He's so some mercy. Mel, continue what you that say. Sorry, my dear. Mel, continue what you were saying.
That mentality, you see that mentality, that's not what the country need right now. There's a lot of people on there who never begged for anything before. Sometimes you can't see the people them say they don't even want to beg. But things happen. People roof blow off, they don't have place to sleep. Come on now. It's every government responsibility to take care of their citizens. So that's not wanting handout. Handout is when you're well capable of yourself.
Come on, man. Why people not have no empathy? Cheese and peace. James.
Yes, love.
What you saying?
Yeah, man. Me just I say, boy, I don't know, but with Jamaican is like we have some brilliant people in Jamaica, but we are also so duff, You understand? Because it's like these people have no moral about them, nothing about them. Everything they use and mix up in a politics. You understand me? Everything. Simple thing where people are try to help themselves. And some little wish-wash when they have no use. They're not benefit the country nothing because they're not contributing to the country. That's a number one.
Yes.
And them come on social media, bring down the country, disgrace them one of people in the country. They look so stupid and so dumb. You know what I mean? I hear some people are going to say the Prime Minister this and the Prime Minister called curfew and the Prime Minister this. What do you want the people to do? Just go and tear down people's place?
James,
this is
the first. No, but
This is the first hurricane when we see blow. And there's not one looting never one because of the action where Prime Minister take.
Look here, James. Well, and this platform, we are not very best pleased about what is happening on the ground in terms of what the Prime Minister is doing. Because to be quite honest, food is not something that you politicize, right?
Mm.
Food is not something you politicize. And care package, you are gonna be giving away a care package, and you're gonna say you need to write down your name. Why you need to write down your name?
No, because sometimes you have to look on the moral of the thing to and the definition of the thing. Because you see, if people them who need it, we don't get it. Because you have some people who don't need it, we take it. That's why you have to look on the other side of the shilling. You understand me? Because many times we are in Jamaica, and many times things like this happen, and the people them who forget it don't get it. Because the man them who can afford to live take it. And the people them were in need do not get it. So it's not about political and politicize. It's about make sure you set down a name that's in need, you can get it. Because when you all right, put it this way. Put it this way. If you're gonna get a healthy lockdown, right? I said some if you're not gonna contribute now. You know the people them who need it the most. If their name not set down, they're not gonna get nothing. Do you know that? Because the people them who can afford to live will take it. And the people who don't set on a name with their back and they're not getting nothing. So sometimes we have to look on the two sides of the shilling. You understand?
Listen, yeah, I understand where you're talking, but listen, the councillors know, every councillor know the people them them division. I have a charitable organization and I do care package. This year we decided that we weren't gonna. Now me have to go probably look at because of this devastation. We probably have to go look into really, because what gonna happen is that some people are gonna benefit and some are not gonna be benefit because
Exactly.
we've seen it in the past. No, let me finish.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to write down people name. You know who, we know who and who we give package to. You walk in at the community and you go and you give such and such a person, such and such a person, such and such a person. You give everybody a care package where you know say of a fact say them definitely nobody no need for write down name. We never need for write down nobody name.
No,
You
but
carry the bag them and you
it's
carry
true.
go do them.
It's true, but listen this. Remember, say your organization is different. Because I'm going to show you something. Jamaica is so political motivative, eh? He be the same council and MP them there. He be the same council and MP them. We know say you a PNP, or know say you a JLP, and then don't give it up. Because of all them
And that's
political.
not how it's supposed to go.
And that's exactly, that's not how it's supposed to go. But that's all the people, them mindset. Because these people are going to look at you and say, oh, my PNP, this one will look at him and say, my GLP. That's all them is. You understand me?
Yeah, but that's the whole point. That's why we want to get way out of the country.
That's
and
exactly,
at the moment,
exactly.
there's a lot of corruption and going in, and we
Exactly.
want to move her from our country.
Exactly.
Need to move her from the corruption
Remove her
where
from it.
we
You
see
understand me?
color and not people. And that's
You
how we
understand?
are looking now. We are
Exactly.
looking green and orange, and I know that we want. And this is
Exactly,
what
that's the thing.
we are seeing on the ground even now, right?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Because when you really look on the motivated and the thing, you know, what them trying to do now, you know, everybody know, I go try if you use this thing and score political points. Which we, you're not supposed to go like that. You understand me? Because you have this side now, I go say, oh, him look, I'm do this and I'm do that. That side also I'm do this and I'm do that. When everybody's supposed to come together and say, you know what, there's this $10,000 donate for this district. You understand me? And you go through and you know say, as what you say a while ago, you go through and you know
So
the
let's talk
vulnerable
about the
people
life,
them.
please.
You know the vulnerable people them. That's the type of people them where you know say you're supposed to go through the community and give. The people them who cannot take themselves. But unfortunately, it not go like that. Because the people them is so political motivative. You know? Everybody, you all right, look here. You have somebody right here, so. And yan the person live good, you know. Yan the person live good.
Yes.
And the person knows say you're GLP and him a PNP, right? And you will look and just to be something go happen where everybody can benefit from. And you the person vex with you because most say you PNP, you not forget it.
All right, James, me I gotta tell you this. You see my
Yeah.
organization?
Yeah.
We've been going for since COVID. The peak of COVID we started. And we can
Yeah.
guarantee you, say, most of who benefit from our organization is JLP. Now I have video upon videos for sure.
Yes, but
Even
hold on.
no, hold on. Even in
No,
the last
I just something I was say to
election.
you. I just something I was say to you. Remember, say your organization is multitask organization. You don't care who want get it. But remember, say politician things is different from your thing.
No, but what I'm saying, what I want to share with you is that look, these are people that struggle, really a struggle. I mean, I talk
Exactly.
about say them a struggle, them not have food, them not have, and we used to have to give them food 3 times a
Yeah.
week. We have to carry food, go give them. Yet, and I have videos even in, and I'm not talk about it. All right, you know, from when we started our organ, when we started giving out in the community from the last election, general election, right? And we can tell you, say, most of the people where we have to give a week time are JLP supporters, and them
Yeah.
ball say they must see them MP none at all. To the
Exactly. That's the
point
thing.
where I contacted the MP and I said to her, listen, most of the people who we are supporting are your people, and them say them not see you. The woman tell me say must she cuss me off. She cussed me off to point out to her that, listen, these are the things that the people they must say. Because I said to her, listen, we're doing back to school. And I've come to you, and the same thing you said to me the last time when we come to you, and the same thing you said to me today. I said most of the people them who need are the
Yeah,
people
man.
them who in a few who go vote for you. And you can't do the people them so.
Exactly.
Right?
But
At
listen,
the end of the day, we need to come away from the politics where these
exactly.
people, the people
But
them,
listen,
you only go to them when time them want vote. If them are 80 the way you expect them to do, somebody come from us and come talk about say people love handout. If somebody are 85 and them not have no pitney and them not have no
no, no.
husband, what you expect them to go do?
Exactly. But listen this now. Listen this now. You see problem where we have in Jamaica? Too much diet thing in Jamaica. Because these are the same people them know say the MP not doing nothing. And every election they get up and vote them back in.
Aye, thank
You
you.
understand? Every
Thank
election.
Don't
You
let
know,
me
say
into
see.
where I'm going.
You know, say see. May I tell you something? You know, say, from me a little boy I grew up, right? Me I hear about Mike Henry. Mike Henry don't have Clarendon there. And me never going to Clarendon and me pen and see Clarendon change. Yeah? Whether PNP na power or GLP na power, me never see me pen change. Dirty and crying the same way. And every time they get up and them vote in Mike Henry. Yeah?
Mike Henry, which party
Yeah.
him come from?
Clarendon, no, me pen.
Yeah, but who? Which party? Which party?
GLP party.
Okay.
You understand? And every time that's what me I try to say, these people then is too political motivated. They need to know say if the MP not doing nothing, whether you're PNP or GLP, get rid of them.
Thank
You
you.
understand?
Well, James, this is where we are. So this is where we are going. Because I know really people who not want. I know say people who not like the prime minister and want to criticize him. You know, but the problem is them not do what them supposed to do, and them don't expect people to criticize.
No, well, that's the thing. That's the thing because when the thing is this, we have to really look and understand. Say, this is a system we set up, not to benefit poor people. It's to benefit rich politicians. You understand me? And that's why me say, if we the people stand up and know say, listen, if me gonna vote for a MP when me know say I do something in a community, I do something in a consequence, yeah? Then the system will change. But if we keep on get up and say we get up and vote for MP because we love this party, there's no change gonna in Jamaica. It will
Exactly.
never change.
Exactly.
You understand?
James, finish your point and make we give Mel a talk as well. But finish
Yeah.
what you have said.
Yeah, so what me I try if you say, anytime we get up and stand up and say, you know what, enough is enough. This MP not doing nothing. We are gonna get rid of him. And if the next one come and he realize say, nah,